Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today's project, we're just going to be doing something real simple. We're going to be modifying this cell phone bracket that I ended up buying off of Amazon, which a lot of you guys end up having for the F-Series BMWs. So we're going to upgrade this to be able to retrofit a MagSafe iPhone charger to it. I just upgraded to a 12 series phone and iPhone, and I really do like that feature. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this stuff off, that ball and the magnet portion, and retrofit a MagSafe charger on it. I have been in contact with Redline, who makes the phone bracket for the 4 and 3 series that sits right here on this portion, which I really do like. I had one just like it for my STI. They say that there's nothing set in stone to have one come out for the M2 or the 2 series, but we should be expecting something around summertime if they do push something out. But without further ado, let's pop this off, get it put together, and put it back on. The reason we cannot use this ball onto here is just simply because it just won't fit. This is why we're going to use this to retrofit everything onto the bracket. Use a screwdriver. You can see this screw is not going to completely fit in, or it doesn't fit in. You have to widen the hole. Now that we've retrofitted the MagSafe charger onto the bracket, if you had this installed before, you know how to put it back on. If not, then you'll be using the supplied 1.5 millimeter Allen key to place it all back right in here and tighten everything down. All right, guys, so now that we have the bracket installed, you could see that charger fits just fine. There is just a little bit of a fitment issue, and that is because this little donut that tightens up the bracket is kind of thick. So when it comes down, it hits right in here, causing the bracket to sit at an angle and not perfectly vertical. It's not a big deal. It still does the job. Got my phone on there, holds it just fine. It does have a little bit of a incline on it, but that's fine. For me at least, and it does the job. Now we have our USB-C to USB-A adapter plugged in, and as you can see, as we plug things in here, things work perfectly fine. Eventually I am going to be grabbing my cables and tucking them behind this trim, and probably getting an extender for the USB-C cord to go under the center console and into the armrest's USB port. That way it's tidied up, out of sight, out of mind, and it does what it needs to do. hopefully Renline does put one out that sits right here. That'd be awesome. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. Maybe we can use that as kind of motivation to submit to them and get them to make something for us, since the market would be there. So let me know what you think. That does it for this video. Go ahead and if you liked what you saw, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that bell, and that does it for this video. Hey, thanks again.